Right now, we're seeing an unusual divergence in economic sentiment. With a score of -0.13, we're well below the historical baseline, indicating a notable shift in perception. This is particularly striking when paired with a momentum of +0.64, suggesting an unexpected rebound in positive sentiment over the last 24 hours that defies the negative outlook. Our API returns a comprehensive set of metrics, allowing you to analyze these shifts in real time. For instance, you could integrate this data into your trading algorithms to anticipate market reactions based on sentiment changes. By utilizing our Economic Sentiment API, you're not just tracking numbers, you're tapping into the pulse of economic sentiment that can inform your strategies effectively. For more insights, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.